All right, welcome back to Stride University. Today we're going to talk about how to create a discount code and what that entails and what it looks like on your internal sales orders. So to get started, our test situation today is we're going to say that we bought too much furniture and we're getting close to the end of the year and we want to kind of offload this old furniture so that we can bring in new furniture for the year. So we are going to create a discount code that we can send to our loyal customers that they can use in store or online, and they can get a 10% off any of our furniture products in the store. So in order to do that, we're going to hop into our sales module. We're going to go to our products and then discount and loyalty. So pops up here and you can see there's all sorts of different things we can create. So we're just going to hit create here, and that pops up this dialog box. So I'm going to name this program 10% off all furniture and then end of year, so that we kind of know what's going on. You can name it whatever you want. Name doesn't matter, just as long as it kind of helps you keep track of your different programs. We're going to call this a discount code, and you can see it already popped up some ideas. So our conditional rules, we're going to come in here. The discount code that we want to use, the default's 1, but we're going to call it 10 off furniture, so that when people go to check out, if they apply that discount code, they can get 10% off. Now here we have some different conditions. Of course, we want to say they have to have at least one item in their cart or be purchasing one item. We can, if we want to, set a minimum purchase amount, and we can decide if we want that to be tax included or excluded. I'm just going to set that at 0 because I don't really care if it's $5 or if it's $500. I mean, we want to discount it. Down here we can select if we want on certain products, on certain categories, or on product tags. So if we have some tags on our products, we can set them as the only ones that get this discount code. So today we're just doing this on all of our office furniture. So now that I've got that, we'll do save and close. So that's the only condition that we want. You can add as many conditions as you'd like. We're just going to do one condition, and we're going to check this reward. So the discount is 10%, and we can say it's on the order, the cheapest product in the order, or on specific products. So I'm going to say it's on the order. So if they order $5,000 worth of furniture, we could give them $500 discount. We can also say, you know what, the maximum amount that we're going to give is $1,000. So, or is $100. I'm not going to set my max discount. We're just going to let that flow. I'm fine marking down all office furniture 10%, but know that you can say, it's 10% off up to $250 on your order, or up to $50, or up to $10. It's really up to you. And I'm just going to hit save and close. So now there's a couple of other things we can do. The validity, this says, you know what, how long is this going to be valid for? And we'll just do till the end of January 2023. This button here, we can limit the usage if we want to. So if you're going to limit the usage, you have to give it at least a 1, or else the coupon code or the discount code is not going to be valid at all. But say you don't really care, as many people want to use it, you're going to let go until all of your furniture is gone. That's great. Or you could say, you know what, I only want 100 people to be able to use this. That's fine. I'm going to say there's no limit because my time is my limiting factor here. They only have, another 3 weeks before this discount code is no longer valid. Here you can set your website. If you run multiple websites, you can say which website you want to run on. And here the default is all point of sales. If you have certain registers that you don't want them to be able to get the discount, you can limit that as well. But I want it to be available on all my websites and all my different point of sales. And we're just going to save that. And that's done. We've created that. So what I want to show you now is a couple of things that happen after you've created this. So this is our 10% off all furniture discount. So we're going to go to the store. I'm logged in, and I'm going to select an office chair to add to my cart, and I just need one. I'm going to add that to my cart. I'm going to come back and shop some more because I also want to add in a large desk. It's time for me to get a new one. So I'm going to add that to my cart. Now I'm done shopping, and I know that I have this discount ready to go. So we have this button here. We can add the discount code. And I can apply that. And you'll see on my order, now it's added 10% on your order, and you can see my discount there. We're good to go. And I'm going to go ahead and proceed to checkout and grab my credit card, and I'm going to pay now. Awesome. I've probably bought too many things today, so I can't have my payments. But what it'll do, if it went through, this is a demo site, so we've had people playing on it. What'll happen is back in the sales order, you can see this is on sales order number 66. We're going to come look at our sales orders now, and we're going to refresh this, and it should come up with sales order 66. And it should, bear with me here for a moment, should get a quote here at least. Alright, welcome back. We had some technical difficulties there for a second, but we've got this order to go through, and you can see what this order would look like on the back office side. So you can see I had an office chair that was black, and that was at $120. The large desk that was $1,800, and then I had my 10% discount. And so this is a great way for you to be able to track, okay, these are the products that I sold, but these are the amount of discounts I gave over the course of the year. So that's kind of the whole gist of creating a discount code that you can use. Again, kind of looking at that, you can set it up any way you want to for certain products, for certain time periods. Only a limited number of people can use that code before it goes away, and all the different areas that you can sell that in. It'd be similar in the point of sale. You could they could hand the cashier the discount code, and that could be applied, and it would be applied to the whole order. So please play around with that, get used to it, and if you have questions, feel free to shoot them our way in an email. Thanks.